All right, good morning everybody. It's a beautiful day today. As you can see, no cloud in the sky. We're here at the roof partial replacement. We had water damage. The tree fell in on the roof and poked holes in the roof on the lower end here. We had to fix it. Insurance company would only pay for the repair, but we said we weren't going to do it. We're just going to go halfway up. And so here's this. This was the damaged plywood. See that piece? Okay, so that's the, oh jeez, that one's no good.
Some of those are very thin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta step on the every
Yeah. All right, well this is it right here. He needs to, he knows he got to nail them so often, just like they are probably every 2 to 3 inches.
Yeah.
So this is it right here. Okay, all the flashings are going to be new. So there you go. Tying the new with the old. What a beautiful day today. And that's all I got.